With the Joyoung automatic blender, you just simply put the nuts into the jar, select the menu as you wish, hit start, and wait for the nut milk to come out in minutes. With the strong and efficient motor, the rotation speed can reach as high as 32,000 revolutions per minute. Joyoung invented the unique self-cleaning technology with true hands-free experience, taking the hassle-free experience to the next level. With 27 years of experience and over 8,000 patent technologies, Joyoung has been the industry pioneer. Other than plant-based milk programs, it can do so much more than a traditional cold blender. It could do cold juice, iced smoothies, smooth dips to hot soups. Try it out and explore yourself with endless possibilities beyond cold drinks.